friends, once again welcome to Yummy Treats with Yash. So today I will be making my favorite. It's sweet corn soup. Whenever I go to any restaurant, I end up ordering sweet corn soup, which me and my brother like. Honestly, I don't like the soup which they serve there because they use artificial thickener and they also use lots of cornstarch. And when you taste it, it's yuck. It's so slimy, sticky. But as you know, homemade stuff is always perfect. So I'll teach you how to make sweet corn soup. And guess what? This is going to be my first soup recipe, which I'm going to be posting in my channel. We need 1 cup of boiled sweet corn kernels, about 1/4 cup of green peas. This is also boiled. 1 small onion finely chopped. 1.5 tablespoon of butter. And we need about 4 to 5 cups of corn stock. You can also use vegetable stock. 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. We need about half a teaspoon of sugar. Some salt to taste. And some freshly ground pepper. And some freshly chopped coriander. This is nothing but the water we used to boil the sweet corn. So first I'll be adding the butter. You can also use oil. Butter is melted. Now let me add the onions. I'm going to saute the onions for a minute till it gets completely cooked. The onions are nicely sauteed, so now I'm going to add the boiled sweet corn and green peas. Fry them for 2 minutes. Friends, you can also add chopped carrot and French beans if you like. You can also add spring onions. We just have to fry this for a couple of minutes. We don't have to cook this because it's already cooked. So now I'm going to add the salt. Nicely stuck. Adding very little salt because the sweet corn and the stock already has salt. It is nicely fried and I'm getting amazing smell. Time to add the stock. Stock also has salt. Unlike the restaurant soup, this soup is filled with goodness of health because we added so many healthy ingredients. This is a clear soup. We have to boil it in a low flame. A good chef should always taste the food. Let me taste and see if I need some. Perfect. I can see. It's perfect. I can see the soup boiling. So let me close the lid and let it. I'm going to cook this in a slow flame so the flavors don't disturb. While the soup is boiling, let me add some water to the cornstarch and added little water to the cornstarch. So now I'm going to make a cornstarch slurry. This is optional. This is just to thicken your soup. It's been 5 minutes, so let me add the cornstarch slurry. Did you see the color change? Now I add sugar. Friends, you have noticed it's sweet corn soup. So for the sweetness, we put sugar and even to balance the flavors. Last but not the least, we are going to finish the soup by adding some fresh crushed pepper and some chopped coriander leaves. You can add how much ever pepper you like depending on your taste. I like pepper. I'm adding lots. Let me mix it. A bit more.
Mane, coriander leaves are cheese now.
Now let us add the coriander leaves. My brother is going to add the coriander leaves. Good boy. Monkey, stop sitting on the table. Coriander leaves is also optional. You can also add spring onions.
Friends, I love sweet corn soup.
Friends, you saw how easy it was to make this. I have made about 4 to 5 cups of soup. Instead of going to the hotel and ordering soup, you better make it at home. It's way healthier and better. Done. Time to taste.
Time to taste.
Friends, me and my brother love sweet corn, so I have added lots of sweet corn kernels.
Yeah. Looks nice.
So much better than the restaurant soup.
Behind it's awesome. I like sweet corn soup.
You want more?
Yeah.
This is a perfect evening snack, after school snack.
Maza aya.
Friends, please try this tasty
Nah.
soup at home.
Enka.
Friends, please try this tasty soup at home and let me know how it is in the comment section. Till then, goodbye. Don't forget to
Goodbye.
subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and please like. Don't forget to hit in the bell button next to the subscription button, so whenever I do a video, you'll get the notification of it.
Enka soup. I'm so full.
Oh God, I'm so full.
Oh God, I'm so full.
Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
I had 2 full bowls of soup and I'm so full.